Hi guys, what's up? This is Ish and welcome back to your another reading. Let's get right into it. Okay, so the very first card that I pulled out for you is the card number 7, which is Sword. Make the change. So if you feel like people are holding you back, doesn't matter what situation it is applying to, even if you feel like it is your past holding you back, even if you feel like it is a person holding you back, number 7, number 27, number 9 could be significant. We have Witch, justice is coming. So if you feel like other people are holding you back and because of other people you're not able to make certain decisions, people are just holding you back, people are holding a decision of yours back, you're advised here to make the decision and do not wait for other people to validate your decisions, right? Now let's get into the deeper meaning of the cards that I pulled out for you. There is a big life change you have been thinking of making for a while now. This is a sign that you need to trust your instincts and take the leap. Whether you're thinking about cutting your hairs or finding a job better suited for you, do the thing and do it with confidence, right? So you're advised here to whatever you're contemplating about and you're scared of making a decision because of what other people are going to say, what other people are going to think, and if other people are validating your decision or not, you're advised here to just go for it, because regardless there will be like this will go in your favor, the decision will be in your favor, right? So regardless of what other people are saying, what other people will think, you're advised here to just go for it. Surprisingly, don't doubt your worth, right? So if you feel like, am I good enough? Will I be able to do it myself? Will I be able to make this decision come in my favor? The answer to that is yes. If you believe in yourself, anything is possible. And if you don't believe in yourself, things might not go in your favor. But regardless, you have the support, you have the you have whatever it takes to make this decision come in your favor. But we have to understand one thing, is that the universe is always going to validate what we believe is the truth. So if you feel like you're not good enough, the universe is just going to validate that and show the reality where you feel like you're not good enough. But if you feel like I am good enough and things are always working out for me, the universe is going to mirror that and show you that everything is always working out for you. So it all starts here, it all starts in your mind, it all starts with your mindset. Universe and your life will just start to mirror everything that you believe in, right? Let's jump into the deeper meaning of the other card that I pulled out for you. They say that whatever we do comes back to us the same times 3. If a person's intentions are well meaning, then that good energy will come back to them in buckets. If a person's intentions are to do harm, then you get the picture here. So what it means is exactly what I said to you. Whatever you think is the truth will come back to you. And with this justice card, with this witch card, I'm so sorry, number 27, what it is talking about is the same thing, that whatever your intentions are, whatever you think is the reality, whatever you think for the other people, if you are doing something for the sake of other people, for the sake of good, for the good intentions of other, that good intentions are just going to come back around in your life. If you think ill, if you have ill intentions for other people, then those ill intentions are going to manifest back into your life. The universe is getting ready to deliver its justice. This person might be you. If so, you could handle the situation with grace and learn from your mistakes. Otherwise, this is most likely applies to someone who's caused harm to you or your loved ones. So the number one thing that I'd like to state in this today's reading for you guys is that, number one, justice is going to be served regardless of whether it is you or someone else did something dirty to you or your loved ones. So right now, if people are trying to stop you from living your dream life, people are trying to stop you from making a decision which is good for you, then they are going to face the consequences of creating a bad karma for themselves and not thinking good for you. But now, if you ever had any bad intentions consciously or unconsciously for somebody else, and if you were the person stopping somebody else from making a decision which is good for their sake, then you will learn a lesson for the same. And like I said, guys, I am here to tell you the truth and not sugarcoat every single thing. And we all make mistakes as a human being, whether it's you or me. We are on a journey to explore, learn, make mistakes, and then learn from them. Nobody is perfect, right? Nobody is perfect. Whether it's you, me, everybody is making mistakes and learning from them. But it makes you a better person if you are accepting and learning. And if it's not you, if you have not done anything, and if you know that somebody else is doing, take it how that resonates, right? So what I do feel from this today's energy is that you are called to make a decision which is good for you, which is actually perfect for you. But if it is triggering other people, and if other people will try to stop you, they will face the consequences for doing so. But it is your job to make sure that you're making decision for your highest good, from your soul, from your heart, from the bottom of your heart, so that you don't regret in the future, right? Now let's see more and let's get some more information. What does the person watching this need to know? Oh my god, not surprised that I have Eight of Swords. Some of you feel really tied down to something, whether it's a relationship, whether it's a family environment, whether it's a job, whether it's anything, and there is a perspective shift coming towards you, or there is a need for you to change your perspective, and it's only mental. Like I said, oh my god, this reading is so much in alignment with each other. Like all the cards are so much in alignment. This is swords, and swords is air. And air energy is mental energy, your thought process, the way you communicate, whether it's with yourself or with other people, the way you think, the way you make a decision, right? So swords is just your mind, and you need to change your mind. You are stuck because of your mindset. You are not stuck because other people are trying to keep you stuck. You're stuck because you're not able to, like, pull yourself out of a certain mindset that I can make a decision on my own and I don't have to rely on other people to make a decision for me, because I trust myself. I am worthy enough, like this card wanted to say. You are worthy enough. If you feel like you're not worthy enough to make a decision come in your favor, then I think you're doing something wrong to yourself, because you are so much more worthy than you believe. Oh my god, we literally have the mirror that I just told you about in the very beginning of the video. Treat your body like the palace it is. Also, if you like criticize yourself for the type of shape you are, or other people are trying to criticize for you, criticizing you for being in a certain body type, it is the time when you put up the boundary, and when you respect yourself and you respect your body regardless of what other people are saying. Because everybody is supposed to be different, because we are supposed to be an individually different person, because we are humans, we are built different, and our differences are what makes us beautiful, right? And this is the time when you don't listen to other people, and this is the time when you just put up the boundary and be like, hey, I am perfect just the way I am, because I am supposed to be like this. God created me this way, but I am not promoting like unhealthy lifestyle, unhealthy body types, unhealthy like obesity. But if you guys are healthy, if you guys, even if you are overweight, even if you are underweight, but if you guys are healthy and you love your body and you don't have any health issues, you don't have any medical issues, then I think you're doing perfectly fine, and you don't have to listen to anybody, right? And the message here coming up for you, as the moment you change your mindset, the moment you change and shift the way that you're looking at your situation, the way that you're looking at other people, the way that you're looking at life in general, you will free yourself from a lot of bondages. You will free yourself, whether it's from your family environment, whether it's a relationship, whether it's your job, whether it's anything, whether it's also mental diseases. So if you guys are going through like depression, anxiety, or any sorts of mental health issues, then the moment you, and it's not easy, it's easier said than done. If you're dealing with mental health issues, it's easier said than done. But the moment you change your perspective and how you look at the world and how you look at the life in general, and the moment you get a new perspective to your problems and whatever happened to you in the past, or whatever is happening to you in the current moment, in the present time, you will be able to free yourself from the bondages of the current timeline, right? And it is about shifting your timeline from one to another. It is about shifting your timeline from being stuck and being tied down, whether it's to responsibility, to your environment, to your job, to your body, to a certain mindset, to a certain place, to just freeing yourself and being limitless, being free, um being free, right? Being independent, being on your own. And this is the, and if you're scared of making the decision because you're scared that how other people are going to react, and if other people are going to like stop you from making a decision which is actually great for you, the universe is going to step in and remove that person from your life, and they are going to face the consequences for simply being a bad person when they had a chance to be a good person to you. Because if you're making a decision, even if it's your dad, even if it's your mother, for some of you, take it how that resonates, very specific messages. Even if it's your dad trying to stop you from making a decision which is actually good for you, if your parents and if your family is trying to force you into a marriage when you don't even want to do so, I'm sorry to say this, but they are going to face the consequences for forcing you, because you are a different individual. Even when they are your parents, even when they are your friends, even when that person is your husband or a wife, if they are trying to force something on you which is a bad decision, they are going to face consequences. And if this is something that you wanted to hear, then this is your sign. Nothing and nobody can stop you if you want to make something happen. Nothing and nobody can stop you. And if you believe in yourself, the universe is going to support your every single decision that you make in your life. Because, like I said, mirrors, the universe is always going to mirror, and your life is always going to reflect whatever you believe is your lifestyle, whatever you believe is the reality of your life, right? So I think this is all that I have for you, collective, for today. For personal readings, you can DM me on Instagram. The link for that is in the description box below. You can follow me there. You can subscribe to my other channels. And I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe. Sending you so much love and light. Take care.